Okay, so this is an unusual, like, we had everything set up, we were sound checking. Oh, I shouldn't show you the location because we're gonna reuse it another time when eventually it ain't raining. Huh? So our dear friend Uli was around the corner and we had like nice people that were stay in the audience and yeah, so we are a little bit disappointed. We are going for a drink and we will stay tuned on the weather forecast, but it looks that the weather forecast is rather untrustful at the moment, and we hope we can postpone it for tomorrow. Guys, are you up for live tomorrow if it ain't raining?
If it's not raining, yes, we're up.
Uli, are you up for another live tomorrow? Yeah! Okay, thank you for watching. We hope to see you tomorrow. We'll keep you posted. Bye!
Okay, I would like to get the power supply of my computer as